Alright, today we're going to unbox a iPhone SE, the second generation that just released in April of 2020. So here we go. Only one take, because if we screwed up, we screwed up. That's new package, and there you go. And we already see all of this. And then look at that. That was not seen it for a long time. SIM card eject tool. And then, of course, you get the Apple logo sticker. Here's the brand new iPhone 8. Just kidding, it's the SE. Alright, there we go. You get the 5-volt charger. And you get the wire version of the Lightning headphone, and that came with the iPhone 8 as well, so just pretty much duplicate. And this phone right here has the same specs, similar specs to the iPhone 11. That's what I was heard. And over here is your normal Lightning, USB to Lightning. So all right, there you go. And that's basically it. A quick unbox of a iPhone SE, second generation.